come in the mail?
Yeah.
Was it shipped to someone else?
Nope. Just 60 minutes.
Because one came to our house on that.
Yep, that was the one.
Did she look out the window?
I don't know. Just look into her windows. Just look into her camera right there.
Did you ring the doorbell?
Yeah, I did.
Ring it again. And knock like a man this time. Actually, just go in. You got a key. Oh. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. I want a real knock. Come on. Is she coming, Ish?
What in the world are you wearing?
Just something to play with, Karma.
Oh my god. I don't know if she'll play with you. She's probably freaked the hell out. Why in God's name are you wearing an Easter bunny? Is that an Easter bunny? What the hell is that? Karma! Here! She's scared! She's cowering in the corner?
She's right here. She's right here.
Karma, come here, baby girl. Come here, Karma.
She's freaking out. She's freaking out.
You know that back window by the refrigerator? That's just go to that window.
Karma, are you okay? Here.
Karma.
Here.
Look, I'm over here now.
She is not liking you, dude. You know, she's actually excited now, I think. She thinks you're a giant dog. What the hell is that thing?
It's a fox.
A fox? Oh, God. Please, dude.